Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how we insert an element at the beginning of the list. Okay, means suppose we have the list like this 1, 2, these are the elements of the list, these are linked with each other, and I have to insert at the beginning, means we have to insert before the very first element 5. Now again we insert, we will push at the front. Now we have 5 elements. Okay. In push front function, it will take only one parameter as input, that is data, and it has two conditions. If first one, if our list has no elements, means at initial stage our list is empty, they will put 1, and our first node and last node will point to this. Okay. After that, if we insert 1, after that we put 2 at the front. This is how we will do it. Okay. Now let me take you to my linked list.c file, and I will implement the function for you. Here void push front cost int data. Just copy the function and put here. Now first create list not tilde. First create a temporary variable that holds the data and that holds the memory, allocated memory. First allocate the memory, and it will be a pointer structure type, and here list malloc size of list tmp to data, that is equal to our data. Now we will put some condition like if first node is means if we have nothing in our list, we will put first node temp, last node temp, and first node, last node, and we will have temp to next, that is null. Okay. Now if this condition fails, if this condition falls, if first node is not equal to null, means we have some elements or one element in the list, what we will do, we will just put tmp, we will put tmp to next, that is our first node, means we are putting before the first node, we are putting the element before the first node, and the temp will be on the very first position of the list, and temp to next element will be first node. Now we will modify the first node. This temp will become the first node now. This is how we use push front. Okay. Now I'm going to modify function calls. Here I have a input of 1 into the push front function and traverse the list. I have called push front function and traverse. Forward the return statement. Now let's run the code. Here we have only one node, that is 1. It has only 1. Now I will again and I have called traverse function. Now we have two elements. First is 2 and 1. Second is 1. Previously we have only one element, that was 1, and now we have inserted 2 at the front of the list. Means now our list is modified and it has node 1. Node 1 has the element 2. Okay. Now let me call let me push another 10 elements at the front of the list. Okay. Let's here first we have now we have 12 elements. Here you can see we have first one element we had. Now after that we have inserted two elements, 1 and 2, and now we have inserted another 10 elements. We have total 12 elements in our list. You can see first we have 1, after that we have inserted at the front 2, after that we have inserted 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now I again insert push front element 20 at the front, push front. Now we have 20 at the front, very first element, very first position of the list. Okay, and at the last we have element 1, and we have total 13 elements. And now let me use pushback 0, in the code. Now you can see at the 14th node, we have 0 as, and 50th we have also inserted 0, means I have inserted same element 2 times, means I have inserted 0 at 40th and 15th node. Okay, this is how we implement pushback function. Okay, hope you understand the concept. If you understand, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like my videos. If you have problem at any point in this code, you can feel free to ask in comment section. Comment section is open for you. Okay, I will help you. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy coding.